A gymnast performs on a trampoline. Figure 1 shows the gymnast at her lowest point. Figure 2 shows the gymnast at her highest point. Which table shows how gravitational and elastic potential energy change between Figure 1 and Figure 2? Okay, so we know, and you know this from younger grades too, that you have less gravitational potential energy the closer you are to the ground. So let's just study that one for a minute. See, here she's closer to the ground, here she's higher up off the ground. That means that she has less gravitational potential energy here in Figure 1 and more gravitational potential energy in 2. She has a longer way to fall. So that's why she has more gravitational potential energy. Now what about elastic potential energy? So when you're on a trampoline is able to have you pop back up because of elastic potential energy that you store inside of it. Well, you can see here, she's not storing any elastic potential energy inside of the trampoline. Here, she's storing a lot of elastic potential energy. The trampoline wants to rebound and go back from like Figure 1. It wants to go from this back to that. So we're storing energy at this point. So when you look at this, she has more elastic potential energy, or the trampoline does, than over here. So take a moment and see if you can figure out which chart shows that during Figure 1 you have less gravitational potential energy but more elastic energy, and then shows that in Figure 2 you have more gravitational potential energy but less elastic energy. If you picked C, you were correct. Figure 1 has the minimal gravitational energy. Let me go back. And in Figure 1 we have the maximum elastic energy, whereas in Figure 2 we have the maximum gravitational energy and the least amount of elastic energy.